Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Coatlicue, renowned as the Aztec Goddess of life, death, and transformation. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Coatlicue. What does Coatlicue represent in mythology? Goddess Coatlicue, a significant figure in Aztec mythology, embodies powerful aspects of life, death, and transformation. With her serpent-adorned skirt and necklace of hearts and hands, she represents the cyclical nature of existence and the duality of creation and destruction. She reminds us of the regenerative powers of life and the transformative forces of death. Coatlicue teaches us to embrace the cycles of transformation, recognizing that change is essential for growth and renewal. Revered as a protective deity, she offers guidance in times of transition, fertility, and strength. Coatlicue serves as a reminder to honor life's cycles, embrace change, and find resilience amidst challenges. Ultimately, the significance of the goddess Coatlicue lies in her representation of the intricate balance between creation and destruction, the transformative nature of existence, and the interconnectedness of all things. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Coatlicue. Eternal Earth Mother, embracing the wisdom of Coatlicue. Goddess Coatlicue embodies a multitude of archetypal qualities that have captivated and inspired generations. She emerges as the primordial mother, the embodiment of creation and destruction in one powerful entity. Her image portrays a potent duality, with her lower body formed by writhing serpents, symbolizing both life force and the constant cycle of transformation. Crowned with a skull and adorned with a skirt of severed hands and hearts, Coatlicue embodies the primal force of death and rebirth. She is both nurturing and fearsome, representing the eternal cycle of creation and destruction that governs the natural world. With her prominent breasts, she symbolizes fertility and sustenance, while her fierce countenance and open maw reveal her role as the devourer of life. Coatlicue's archetypal presence encapsulates the raw power of the divine feminine and serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life, death, and creation itself. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Coatlicue. Coatlicue's enigmatic image, unveiling the symbols. Goddess Coatlicue is often depicted wearing a skirt made of writhing serpents, symbolizing the regenerative powers of life and the transformative forces of death. Her necklace of human hearts and hands represents the sacrificial aspect of creation and the cycle of life. Coatlicue's headdress features a coiled serpent emerging from her head, signifying her connection to the underworld and the divine wisdom she possesses. Plants associated with Coatlicue include maize, representing fertility and sustenance, and cacti, symbolizing resilience and adaptability. Animals linked to her symbolism include the snake, representing regeneration and transformation, and the eagle, symbolizing strength and connection to the divine. Artifacts such as stone sculptures and figurines depict her fearsome image, reminding worshippers of her power and protective nature. Part 4. The story of Goddess Coatlicue. Divine encounter. Itzel's wisdom from Coatlicue. In the ancient Aztec Empire, a goddess named Coatlicue commanded reverence and awe. She embodied the profound energies of creation, destruction, and transformation. Mortals trembled before her fearsome form, a deity adorned with a skirt, alive with serpents, and a necklace adorned with human hearts and hands. Her visage struck fear into the hearts of all who beheld her, for she embodied the immense power of the natural world. Legend had it that Coatlicue was the mother of the gods, the one who birthed the universe itself. Her presence was felt in the raw and untamed beauty of the natural world. She held the power to give life and to take it away, to shape destinies and guide the cycle of existence. The people revered Coatlicue, recognizing her as the primal force of the earth. They offered sacrifices in her honor, seeking her protection and guidance in times of transition and turmoil. They understood that within the chaos of creation and destruction, there lay the seeds of transformation and rebirth. One day, a young and courageous warrior named Itzel found herself at a crossroads in her life. She sought clarity and purpose, yearning to understand her place in the grand design of the cosmos. In her quest for answers, Itzel embarked on a treacherous journey to the sacred temple of Coatlicue. As Itzel approached the temple, she felt a surge of energy and anticipation. She climbed the steps, her heart pounding, until she stood before the immense statue of Coatlicue. The goddess's fearsome visage stared back at her, both terrifying and awe-inspiring. With trembling determination, Itzel offered a humble prayer to the goddess, pouring out her hopes, dreams, and fears. She beseeched Coatlicue for guidance and wisdom, longing to uncover the truth that lay hidden within her own soul. At that moment, the stone statue of Coatlicue seemed to come to life. The serpents on her skirt began to writhe, and the hearts and hands on her necklace pulsed with energy. Itzel's fear turned to wonder as she witnessed the divine transformation unfolding before her eyes. Coatlicue spoke to Itzel in a voice that resonated with the power of the earth itself. She revealed the secrets of the universe, the interconnectedness of all living things, and the cyclical nature of existence. She taught Itzel that, within every ending, there lay the seed of a new beginning, and that through the trials and challenges of life, one could find strength, resilience, and transformation. Filled with newfound wisdom and a sense of purpose, Itzel emerged from the temple. Forever changed by her encounter with Coatlicue, she carried the goddess's teachings within her heart, embracing the cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Itzel became a beacon of light and inspiration for her people, sharing the transformative wisdom of Coatlicue and guiding them towards harmony with the natural world. And so, the story of Coatlicue and Itzel echoed through the ages, reminding humanity of the delicate balance between creation and destruction, the transformative power of the goddess, and the profound wisdom found within the cycles of life. Part 5. 3. Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Coatlicue archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace the power of emotions. Neuroscience tells us that emotions play a crucial role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and overall well-being. By cultivating emotional awareness and acceptance, we can navigate the depths of our emotions and harness their transformative potential. This involves developing mindfulness practices, such as meditation or journaling, to observe and process our emotions without judgment. By honoring and integrating our emotions, we can gain valuable insights, release limiting beliefs, and create space for personal growth and transformation. Strategy 2. Embrace the cycles of life and death. In Aztec traditions, Goddess Coatlicue is associated with the cycles of life and death. A transformative strategy is to embrace these cycles as a natural part of existence. Embrace the idea that endings and beginnings are interconnected and offer opportunities for growth and transformation. Engage in rituals or practices that honor the cycles of life and death, such as creating an altar dedicated to Coatlicue, participating in Day of the Dead celebrations, or meditating on the cycles of nature. By embracing the cycles of life and death, you can cultivate resilience, let go of what no longer serves you, and experience personal transformation. Strategy 3. Acknowledge your shadow and seek integration. A very useful transformative strategy is to embrace our shadow aspects, the parts of ourselves that we may fear, reject, or deny. By exploring our shadow self through self-reflection, therapy, or inner work, we can uncover hidden beliefs, unresolved traumas, and unconscious patterns that hold us back. Embracing our shadow allows us to integrate these aspects, fostering self-compassion and self-acceptance, and ultimately leading to personal transformation and wholeness. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual. Steps. Find a quiet and undisturbed space where you can perform the ritual. Set up your sacred space with a representation of Coatlicue as the centerpiece. Arrange candles or soft lighting to create an ambience of reverence and serenity. 2. Close your eyes, take several deep breaths, and allow yourself to relax. Visualize yourself standing on sacred ground, feeling rooted and connected to the earth. Light candles or incense, symbolizing the illumination and transformation that awaits. 3. Express your intentions and desires for transformation, acknowledging the cycles of life, death, and rebirth. Hold a stone, soil, or plant in your hands, connecting with the earth's primal energy. 4. Meditate on the cycles of creation, destruction, and transformation that shape existence. 5. Visualize any aspects of your life or self that you wish to release or transform. With each breath, imagine releasing old patterns, fears, or limitations into the transformative energies of Coatlicue. 6. Allow yourself to surrender to the process of transformation, trusting in the wisdom of the goddess. Set your intentions for personal growth, embracing the cyclical nature of life and welcoming the blessings of rebirth. 7. Express gratitude. Blow out the candles or extinguish the incense, symbolizing the completion of the ritual. Take a moment to ground yourself, feeling your connection to the earth and the transformative energies invoked. A final message, words of wisdom from Coatlicue. In the face of death, let us remember that it is not the duration of life that defines its significance, but the depth of love, joy, and impact we leave behind. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.